Let's take a tour of this city and see what the city look like.
What you gonna do when the sun goes down?
This is Los Angeles. Western Avenue. Los Angeles, California. Tour of the city. We got a church right there. And we have another church right here. And we have another church right here. 188th Street. And that's what I'm talking about. They're like a beehive. So our people is not going to wake up because our people mind is steadfast on the man you call Jesus. So this is Manchester and Western. We'll be going north. And we have all type of building on this street. You have about 150 churches. And most of them belongs to black people. And by they belong to black people, they don't pay taxes. And they're promoting the white man Jesus. So by their promoting the white man Jesus, there's another one right here at the corner. You can see it. As we step down a little bit more, there's another one right here. Baptist Church. There's another one right there. (83rd Street). And as you go a little bit further up, you just make a legal turn in the street. I have no concern for the next driver. See one across the street there? And there's another one right here. See? There's another one across the street. I'm telling you, there's another one right there. And if you come up a little bit, 178th Street, there's another one across from the law office. I'm telling you, our black people hands filled with churches. But I say they should turn them into school. There's another one across the street from there. I need to hold this camera so you could see all these churches. There's another one right there. And that's how it is. We have a lot of churches. And by we have a lot of churches, the people are happy. Especially the black people. They're so happy that they have no fear. But we gotta wake up, black man. Let's turn in Florence. We're gonna make a right turn in Florence. This was a club right here. They turned it into a church. Here is another church right here. Let's get back off of Florence. We kind of hop into the ghetto a little bit, but it's not really ghetto. The homes are nice. No prostitute hang out over here. If they do, they're inside. So we back in 74th Street, heading back to Western. These are regular homes that people can afford and they're content. So we're back in Western and Florence.